Hi, Suzanne here from Sex Advice for Seniors, and today we're talking about C-rings. Why a C-ring and why this one especially, which is, I have to say, unbelievably good. A C-ring is designed to restrict the blood flow in your aubergine, and in that way, it keeps you harder for longer. And especially if you're an older guy, definitely want to put a ring on it, without a doubt. This particular bad boy has got a really nice little pad on the attached to it, which hits your little bean in just the most divine ways. Yesterday, my play partner and I were having a go with it, and I have to say, he gave it the massive thumbs up. He's got a pretty chunky aubergine, so it was a bit tight, but he said it was still very comfortable. Fun thing about this one is that you can use it remotely as well, up to 30 feet away, with an app that it comes with, so that's kind of fun. It's made out of a really nice silicone material, which is waterproof and super safe. It's USB rechargeable, and it's got lots of different vibration modes so that you can play around with anything from pulsating to throbbing to just straightforward vibrations. It's pretty intense, and I have to say it felt super good on that little bean. So again, it's called the Oh My Bod Blue Motion Next 13. I would definitely check this bad boy out, and if you're an older guy with your partner, boy, you are gonna love it.